can do lots of calculation in our Excel sheet, but if we cannot present those calculations, if we cannot present the outcome of those calculations in our report properly to the client, what will happen is client is not going to recognize our value of work. Lots of rupees in 10 pages. So this is the art. How I am going to write that Parsnath is worth 1000 crore rupees in 10 pages. So this is what the valuation report is all about, and it's very, very important. And what is happening globally, I will be skipping this part. Now, I want some participation from your side also. What is the most important thing that we should know while doing a valuation? Take any asset I want to value. Forget about a company or a real estate asset, whatever I want to value. If I want to value one thing, what should I be knowing? Is it that I should be knowing the various valuation are very important aspect?
Market value, use and durability
of the particular asset. Very good. Anybody else?
future expected cash flows,
Economic benefit of that asset. Yes.
Whether the firm is going to be exist in the near future or it has to end.
Whether it is a going concern or not. You mean by this one. So very good. I mean, while doing a valuation, I need to understand what is the business. I need to understand what is an asset. Then only I can understand how to do that valuation of that asset. If I am going to value, say, this hanky, if I am going to value this hanky, or a business who is producing and selling this hanky, then how I am going to understand or I am going to value that particular business? And what is something that I should know about the asset? So in my words, whatever my experience has been, is that everything that is going to affect the business that we must understand. Now coming back to the real estate business, when I am saying that I have to understand about the business, so it's not the DCF methodology that so much acre of urban land at this place, so much acres of rural land at this place. There are so many laws in India. So we have to be very, very aware of all those laws and regulations while valuing real estate companies. What happened in the past is, there are so many companies like DLF, Parsnath, Unitech, Omex, used to claim they have 7,500 acres of land, 10,000 acres of land, 15,000 acres of land. But what happened to all those lands in 2008? Aren't those lands with the company? And if those lands are with the company, then why their valuation goes down? Because the real asset behind a real estate company is what? It's a land. And if those lands were with them in 2007, that is the reason their market price was 700 rupees per share. And in 2008 also those land was with them only. However, their market price 10 to 300 rupees or 200 rupees. However, the asset was with them. But why that was so? That in spite of the fact their asset was with them, but their market price goes down. Why? Because they would be having 10,000 acres of land. But out of those 10,000 acres, 9,000 acres would have been the rural agricultural land, which you cannot develop. You cannot sell to anybody. So no real economic benefit is going to come to the company out of it. No real economic benefit is going to come to the company, what is the value of that particular asset? It is nothing. It is there in the balance sheet, but